Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy GD Warrior. Thanks for tuning in. Today I wanted to show you a little follow-up video. As you guys know, I just posted my new best used motorcycles on the $8,000 video online yesterday, and I've been getting emails, to help people sell their bikes and stuff. So here's one that I wanted to show you. It's actually a really nice one, which is also in the video. It's one of the Yamaha Warrior, same bike that I have, and these are actually the pictures of it. So right here you can see it's a 2008 Roadster Warrior. It has only 2,900 miles. Brush cap that has never been, kept outside. Paint is in mint condition, and was the bike was also used for shows for Extreme Metric LLC. And here are the pictures. It's a really nice ride. It has a 260 tire in the back, wet chrome wheels, nice little dragon side cover on the side. It's in perfect condition. I mean, if I would be in the market, for bikes under 8 grand, I would definitely buy it. Even though the bike is listed for 8,900, everything is negotiable. So if you need his contact information, there right here, my Facebook post. I'll post the link down in the description. And let's go over the features. So a 2008 Yamaha Warrior, 8,900 bucks. This bike is in very clean and mint condition and well taken care of. The following is what this Warrior has to offer: fat extreme handlebars, R-line-S hand grips, 2-inch forward controls with R-line-S front pegs, custom dragon side cover, Power Commander 3 with preloaded maps. Wheels are wet chrome from Performance Edge, 260 fat tire kit from Performance Edge, rear integrated taillight, Church Keys V-back, with K&N filters, Baron Warrior Staff LED license plate mount kit, Cobra radius exhaust, and this Warrior is just badass. Only 2,900 miles on it. And if you want his contact information, they're right here. It's rrodri2@comcast.net. And his phone number is 609-410-8120. Ask for Rob. So like I said, if you guys have watched my previous video, you know that the Yamaha Roadster Warrior belongs to these best used motorcycles that you can buy for under $8,000. Like I said, the whole star lineup is a good way to go if you want a reliable, affordable bike that handles great, low maintenance costs, has a very low failure rate, and you can do a lot of modification options on it. So get in touch with me or get in touch with him, and then let's see if we can get this baby sold. If you have a bike that you want to get rid of, and you're trying to sell it and you can't, and you need maybe a little bit of help, hit me up. I'm more than happy to feature your bike here on YouTube and put it under the best used bikes for under 8 grand section. All right, thanks guys for tuning in, and I see you guys then. It's your boy GD Warrior.